I was today years old when I found out that our hair strand is made up of more than 20% of water. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Victoria. I was today years old when I found out that our hair strand is made up of more than 20% of water. Which brings me to talk about hydration today. So if you are new to this channel, please directly click on the subscribe button because today we are going to talk about hydration. So let me first tell you once more, right now we are in the middle of a 30 days hair growth challenge, and in this challenge we are using Virgin Hair Fertilizer. This challenge is specifically tailored to regrow our edges and regrow receding hairline, balding edges, and everything in that sense. So this is the product that we are actually using. This is Virgin Hair Fertilizer. So this is it. So as I am applying the product, let me remind you that in this challenge, we apply it on our edges twice per day, in the morning and the evening, and we massage it into the scalp for 3 to 5 minutes. So while I'm doing my scalp massage today, let me tell you about hydration. So in general, you should take like at least 2 liters, 2 to 3 liters of water every day. You would spread it out in different glasses of water throughout the day. And this water is used to carry nutrients. This water will carry nutrients up to your scalp and to your hair. So water is very, very important for the growth of your hair. Have you noticed, by the way, that when someone is dehydrated over a very long period of time, it will affect not only the appearance but also the volume of your hair? Like, have you noticed that? In many countries, in regions where it's difficult to have access to water, you would see an effect not just on the skin of the people concerned, but also on your hair, So you have to make sure that every day you drink 2 to 3 liters of water. You have to make sure that you remain really hydrated, that you drink enough water every single day for your hair to grow well. Because at times we think that it's only about food and only about the products that we apply to our hair, and we forget that it starts from the inside out. When you are healthy inside, you'll be healthy outside. It starts like inside out. In one of my previous videos, I explained to you that you have to make sure that you eat a balanced diet and that you take enough proteins, because hair is made up of keratin and keratin is protein. And I also told you the importance of getting fruits and vegetables because they are rich in antioxidant agents. And I told you that antioxidants fight stress in your body, while stress in itself causes hair loss. So I told you that it's important. You can check back that previous video where I give you really details about what you should eat, what you should take as supplements and vitamins. But today I really wanted to bring out the fact that you should drink enough water, because at times we are so focused on everything taking place outside of us that we forget that we have to take care of us, like from the inside. So yes, food is important. Yes, vitamins and nutrients and vitamins are important too, but you also have to take enough water every day if you want your hair to grow healthy, long and strong. Okay, so by the way, if you like tips on how to take care of your natural hair, you can check out my book, Starting Your Natural Hair Journey from Scratch. In that book, I share tips and tricks on how to care for your natural hair. And in that book, I've really poured out a lot of information for you to know how to transition from relaxed natural hair, and also for you to know how to grow your natural hair in the best way possible. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have already joined us for this challenge, because this is already like day 9. So you shouldn't be late on this, okay? If you're not yet joined for the challenge, please look at the link in the description below to get the product for yourself so that you can join us in this challenge. The product is available on Amazon. Also, please write in the comment section, I'm joining you for the challenge. Do not forget to share this video with any person that you know whom would like to grow back their hairline. And also, finally, please subscribe to this channel so as to encourage me. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. See you soon. Bye bye.